channel. Today I am super excited because, well, there's multiple reasons why I'm excited. For one, today is my first fall video where I am filming a fall decorate with me, and we're going to be starting here in my dining room. As you can see, you're kind of getting a little sneak peek of what the end result will look like. I'm going to be taking you guys through this room step by step, how I'm placing together just a very simple fall look. I really wanted to incorporate those real, just traditional and beautiful autumn colors into my home. This year I'm keeping it even more simple than I normally do. I know that's probably kind of hard to believe. You guys know I like to just kind of add simple touches throughout each season, and for fall I feel like I am going even more simple. I don't even know how that ended up happening, but it just did. Like I said, I'm really wanting to just incorporate the natural elements as far as the true fall colors, keeping it very traditional and simple. And my overall goal is to just make my home feel very warm. That's all I want for this season. I don't want to go over the top. I don't want to do anything crazy and just completely out of the box. I just want it to feel very warm and welcoming. And I feel like I am doing that. So I'm very pleased with how it is turning out. So far, I have my entire house decorated, but of course I like filming these decorate with me videos. That way you guys can get some inspiration and get some ideas on how to decorate your home for each season. So today we're starting in the dining room, so that is the first exciting thing. The second exciting thing is today, as I'm filming this video, it is my 30th birthday. So I typically film every Wednesday for YouTube, and it just so happened to be my birthday the day that I was filming this. So Wednesday, August 28th, 30th birthday. So it's a big birthday and I'm very excited. Basically this entire month of August, I've been celebrating with friends and family, and there's just been a lot of fun things going on. So just another fun way to incorporate a birthday celebration is going to be decorating my home and doing something that I love, sharing that with you guys. So anyways, I did go to Starbucks this morning. I typically am not a huge Starbucks girl, but we got a new one in my hometown and I got my free birthday coffee. So that was exciting. Got my first fall drink from there for the season. And yeah, so anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get to decorating the dining room. I am going to be showing you guys a few newer pieces that I have picked up within the last week. And some of them or actually one of them is from Target. The other thing is also from Target, but it was on clearance. So if I can find a link to it, I will definitely link it down below for you guys. That way you can get your hands on it if you would like. But per usual, you guys know pretty much everything in my home is either thrifted or from the antique store. And of course I do like to pick up pieces from places like Target, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, things like that. But the bulk of what I have in my home is typically thrifted or yeah, like I said, from an antique store. But anyways, let's go ahead and get to decorating this dining room. I'm so excited. If you guys enjoy all things intentional living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, and if you are very excited for all the fall decorating and just all the fall content in general, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, because I would love to have you, and stay tuned for much more fall content. I post every Monday and Thursday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time.
I wanted to give you guys a little overview of the things that you will find in this first area that we are decorating, which is the hutch in my dining room. This is an area that I like to keep my thrifted and antique pieces, just special pieces that I don't want to get damaged or anything like that. And my goal this season was to add just kind of some organic and rustic charm to this space, using a lot of natural textures and a lot of natural colors and things like that. But this is something that I love styling every single season.
So now that we have the hutch styled and the wall and whatnot, we're going to move on to one of my favorite pieces, which is the dining room table. So I always love having just a very pretty arrangement on the table, some candles, something that is beautiful and nods to that specific season, whatever the season may be that I'm decorating for, but something that is also extremely practical that I can remove from my table every single day as much as needed, because as you guys know, we have little ones running around here. Our table gets used all of the time, and I don't want to have to keep moving things constantly as far as like a full-blown tablescape. A centerpiece, that's fine, I can move that whenever, but I want to show you some of the pieces that I am using to create this just very cozy and just like bringing the outdoors inside of my home. Just these pieces. So this is going to be like the most basic thing I've probably ever said in my life, but all of these pieces just feel like pumpkin spice. I don't even know how to explain that, but it just looking at it, it just feels warm and cozy, and it just feels like fall. It feels just very like, I don't know, kind of like nostalgic fall. And anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm using. So whenever I make my centerpieces, I love having some type of tray or basket or something to anchor everything down on, because again, like I said, I want to keep it simple. I want to be able to move it as much as I can whenever I want. So whatever I have in this tray, I can simply pick up and move to a different spot while we're eating dinner or the boys are playing or whatever the case may be. So a good tray or something to ground the items. I love this tray. This one is secondhand. It is just a little wicker tray. I'll show you guys that up close. I say little, it's actually gigantic, but you get the gist. So I have that. I also am using this little tray here for a candle, because I'm a sucker for candles and I love how they look. So I'm gonna be using this one. This also came from a thrift store. I have some brass candlesticks, because brass and fall, in my opinion, they just go hand in hand. I think it is so pretty. It's just, I don't know, I just love it. So anyway, I have the candlesticks or the candle holders, and then these like rust colored candlesticks. I got these from Hobby Lobby. I should be able to link these down below for you guys, but they are absolutely beautiful. I love the color. I have been burning them, and I actually love that there's like wax like spilled down the side. It just looks, I don't know, very like nostalgic and just very cozy to me. So anyways, I do have a set of those. I also have these little pumpkins. These were actually picks from Hobby Lobby, and I got them this year. They were like under, I think they were like $1.19 actually a piece. They're so cute. And like I said, they were on an actual stem. As you can see here, I removed that just to be able to use them as bowl filler or whatever I want. I have the brown ones and the like yellow or orange speckled ones. I'll be able to link those as well. Next thing I have here is one of my favorite fall candles I have been burning for the last few weeks now. I don't know if you guys can see with the glare on the packaging, but it is the Autumn Harvest candle from Target. It is the Threshold line. I should be able to link this as well. This candle is only 10 bucks and it smells incredible. As you can tell, I have burned through it quite a bit. And I also have this little wreath here. So fun fact, if you have florals or greenery that you're just not in love with anymore, but you like the actual shape of the flower or the plant or whatever the case may be, you can spray paint them. So this was spray painted. It's kind of like a burgundy color now. I will be sharing a fall DIY video, and I will be sharing the paint colors and everything that I did to create this little piece here. So my idea is to place the wreath on top of this little tray along with my little Target candle here and have it burning. And again, this tray has handles, so I can move this wherever I want as well. So that's the idea for that. I also found this fabric. So if you watched my Hobby Lobby fall like shop with me video, it's been like a month ago now that I shared that one, but I did purchase this fabric from Hobby Lobby. It is a brown and white, like I don't know, buffalo check pattern. And all I did was go to the fabric section at Hobby Lobby and had them cut 2 half yards. And that way I can use it as like a table scarf or a table runner or anything like that. I had plenty of options. So one of the things that I like to do is place them just kind of like loosely inside of the basket and have the material hanging over the side. It just feels very relaxed to me. It also adds a little bit of pattern without being like too loud or like the entire table and things like that. And again, love this color. I feel like it is the perfect touch to fall in exactly like the color schemes that I was going for. So I have that. Next thing I have is this gigantic vase. As you can see, this vase is huge. It is quite large. It is this terracotta vase from Target, and I found this on clearance. So I don't know if you guys can see the tag there or not. It was originally $40 and I found it on clearance for $20. So they just had these on clearance at my Target this past week. The last time I was there, they still had some on an end cap. So if I can link this down below, I will. If not, check out your local Target. You might be able to score these as well, but I love this. I thought it was perfect for all year round for sure, but that color is like really what I'm going for the fall season. And then one of my absolute favorite finds for this year are these stems. So these are an oak leaf stem. I love them. I love the color so much. I'll give you guys a close-up here in just a second, but these are also from Target. I still have the tag on there. They are only $5 a stem, and I have mine all bent up to go in this vase. But I grabbed 3 of them, and you guys will see here in a second. It's very full, and there's tons of leaves on here. I think $5 a piece for these is a fantastic price. That's kind of like around the same price as Hobby Lobby. Some of Hobby Lobbies are way more expensive than that, so I do love these. I have 3 of them. So this is what they look like up close. There is some color variation in there. They do look very realistic in my opinion, and the branches do as well. They're just like a true brown with some texture on there, and I love them. So anyways, those are all the pieces that we are going to be using to create my little fall tablescape here. I'm so excited. This is just something I love looking at. Our hallway is down this direction, so every morning when I walk down the hallway, I see this big, beautiful tablescape and or just like little table arrangement, and it just makes me so happy. I love looking at all the colors, all the coziness. So let's go ahead and put this together. Well, all right, you guys, that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed decorating the dining room with me today and getting some inspiration along the way for your own home. I feel like a ton of people are going to be decorating probably this coming weekend because it is a Labor Day weekend. Most people wait until September. So I hope this video gave you some inspiration. Like I had said before, anything and everything that I can link down below, I will have linked for you in the description box. So thank you guys so much for being here. If you are new, I hope you consider subscribing because I would love to have you, and definitely hit that bell notification. That way you're notified every time I post. I try to share a video every Monday and Thursday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. So thank you guys again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.